This is Cơm Gà Hải Nam, and this is how my family makes our version of chicken and rice.
The greatest recipes, like our identities, have the most beautiful and most complex narratives. Those of which stem from cultural intersections that are from migration, war, and even sometimes love, and is anything but monolithic. What's up, everybody? I'm Chef 2, and I'm a Vietnamese chef from Oakland. And today, let's talk about reclaiming our identities and stories through food, and what it's like to be creating food that's reflective of my own culture.
The dish's origins from China's largest island, Hainan, in southern China. Towards the turn of the 20th century, many Hainanese migrated to various mainland Southeast Asian nations, such as Vietnam, Laos, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, and Myanmar. My grandpa being one of those Hainanese immigrants that ended up settling on Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam. This is my family version, nothing fussy, just all around comforting chicken and rice.
My parents brought this recipe with them as Vietnamese refugees in 1975, and it was through their memory of taste that they recreated this dish. As a result, gave me depth and understanding of my own identity.
It allows our identities to be seen, if not heard. That's why you need to be empowered to stand up for your representation. Together we have the power. When our communities come together, our values are reflected in everything we see and do. Each person has power. Collectively, the power of people to make change is unlimited. Make sure to register to vote, check your voter's registration, and encourage your family and friends to vote too. Let's reclaim our power. Let's reclaim our vote, the same way I'm reclaiming my culture through food. For credible voting resources and the full recipe for Cơm Gà Hải Nam, see the links in the description below.
I hope you like my recipe, but appreciating my food is one thing, and showing up for me and our community is another thing. I encourage you, with an open stomach and an open heart, to speak up and show up for the issues that you care about. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode with Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, make sure you hit the bell to get a notification every time a new episode airs. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Chef 2.